Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to access the Airtable admin panel. You'll need an Airtable account on an enterprise plan with admin permissions already set up. Head to Airtable and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your Airtable home screen with your workspaces visible in the left sidebar. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account menu icon. This might show your profile picture or your initials. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with various account options. In this drop-down, click on Admin Panel. The Admin Panel interface will now open. You'll see a left sidebar with several navigation options, including Users, Workspaces, Bases, Interfaces, Components, and Settings. From this panel, you can manage users across your organization, control workspace permissions, adjust security settings, and view all your organizational data in one place. Here's a quick tip. If you need to get back to the admin panel in the future, you can also navigate directly to airtable.com/admin while logged in. This bypasses the account menu dropdown entirely. Another thing to note is that the admin panel is only available on enterprise plans, so if you don't see the admin panel option in your dropdown, you may not have the required permissions or plan level. If you need admin access, reach out to your organization's super admin or contact Airtable support. Thanks for watching.